Alright, so next node we have is switch. Switch is, as its name says, it's switch between different options. But the only one of the biggest difference I wanted to show is in the index switch and menu switch. If you noticed, we have additional option. We have this plus button. So index switch lets you add multiple index, which is multiple inputs for one output. In menu switch, we can add multiple menus, which we get like a Boolean option as well, which we also get Boolean option output. But in switch, it is very clear and easy to understand that it switch between two objects. So currently it is geometry, but we can change it to literally anything for float, integer, boolean, vector, color, all the different object types, input types, right? So we can switch between that, and it actually a boolean switch, as its name says. If you can disable this, it is your primary. If it is enabled, it is your secondary. So switch is very self-explanatory, right? And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.